Hello and welcome to the part 2 of the web page design. Now we have to make the e-commerce store page and donate page, frequently asked questions, contact, and make more home page. So first let's start with the e-commerce store page. Let's make a copy of this and rename this to e-commerce store page. So what is there inside? There is a search name button or link, t-shirts, hats. So first make a search bar there. So let's remove this all. Including this, let's leave this, and here. So here e-commerce store page, let's make a title and let's grab a title from here and e-commerce store and increase the size to I guess 32, and there will be a search bar. Let's make it like this, and let's grab an icon and we will make a search icon there. So it will be like this, and then we have to make some boxes with the images and text or maybe price. So there are shirts, hats, masks, and jewelry, men or women. There are priorities. So first we make this over here to specify the gender, and let's make this to this, and here male, or our second one will be female. So here let's make the check boxes. And search the icon for the male, I guess, and then female. So they will specify like this. So now let's make the check boxes to check that he is a male or female, he or she. So let's make a checkbox like this and increase the size, and the second one will be here. So one time only one will be checked. So let's make this to some gray color, that will show that the male is selected. So our next thing is to a rectangle box, and it will be like this, and then let's make this to here, and we will add images. So let's take image. It will be the image of the product, and there must be some description or name of that product. So name of that product, let's take this t-shirt for male, I guess we don't have need to write because the male is already selected. So t-shirt, and I think there should be price in dollars. 250 USD, and let's make a heart icon there to select that in favorites. So like this. So let's make this to t-shirts, hats, masks. That will be kind of like, I guess, tabs as we do earlier. So let's grab this part and make these tabs there. So here we have options like what you want to search: t-shirts, hats, masks. So the first one is t-shirts, and then there is the hats, then masks, then it comes to mugs, I guess, masks, mugs, and jewelry. And that's it. Here is the t-shirts we are showing now. So let's make this color blacks something, so it will be like selected of these. So t-shirts, and it will be like this. Let's make it little beautiful. So here, and then let's grab them to center. So like this, and also this is not centered yet. Yes. So to make this more look good, let's make some copies of this and put them there. So it's very easy to make like this the e-commerce store page, and there is a drop down under our this section. I guess this is one-sided there, and then e-commerce store page, there must be something like this. It will be like this, and let's make a box here that will be like a kind of suggestions or something. So lock the browser, and let's copy that these and make one more row, so it will look like with more products. And in the list there is a software, CBD, clothes. So I guess where are you going? Stop there. That will be good here. So here let's do this like, and software, CBD, clothes, software, CBD, clothes, and gamblers or services, gamblers and services. Let's see how it looks like. so it is not so good. Let's make this and increase the size. Why it is not showing? Yes, services, and in the services there are more lists. So under the services we have domain and charity and groups. Domain, charity, groups, and fun stuff and datings. Fun stuff and datings. We have to make a navbar, so we have to take the text box again and again, but I didn't do that. I just take a text box and write all the things in that. So just make its border to white so it will not be shown. And this is like as we have to make the list the easy way. Under the services there will be 3 more items, so for that we have to take this like item 1, item 2 and 3. Like this. Then we have to make the slashes or checks, like I guess that will be more good. Line, we have to make it from the arrow, and let's search for arrow. Remove its sides and we have to put this line with all as mentioned in the requirements. So now let's copy all these and go down and paste here. So here is our list created, and there is the donate page and suggested donations, and I don't think we need to make this, but we have to. There's the donate page, so let's duplicate this and rename this to donate page. Donate, and then we have to just see what is there. Donate takes them to secure confidential site to donate cash into Bitcoin or similar currency. Suggested donations. So donate to be donate or let's remove this all and suggested donations. So text area, and then page will open some confidential site to donate in the form of Bitcoin or similar currency. So that will be kind of title, so we don't need a border. Just write down their suggested donations. And here we have the memberships gifts. So I guess that will be kind of list, or we make it like this. Let's make it like this. That there will be next button, and here is the first one, the memberships. Come on, man. Memberships. So make this little good looking, like let's take some rectangle and make like this, and let's take some shape, and over here we will make it here, and let's write a number there like 1, and make it bold. So this will be the first donation, the memberships. It looks cool now. So this is the first one, and let's make another. I'm sure this is not centered, and this one is the gifts. So we have completed our this donate page, and then we have frequently asked questions page. Let's copy our this page, duplicate, and then we have to rename this to frequently asked questions, and learn our FAQs. So there in the FAQs we will have some images of the users and their feedback with the next and previous buttons. So let's make this to FAQ section, and in the FAQ section we will make something like this. The image of the users list, I guess something, no, FAQs, and let's make a top FAQs list. let's make this to bold and this to 24 top FAQs. And in the list of top FAQs we have to make an circle image and there will be a user image. Now ask the question. So this, and then we have to take some text of the question. This will be the question. Like this. So there will be 3 to 4 FAQs. Checks that he can go forth and back, circle from there, and then an empty circle that shows that it is not checked. And then we have to make the next and previous buttons, so he can see that there is something next to this or previous to this. That's all we have. These are the top FAQs, and then we will have the list of all FAQs. And in the all FAQs we will have some list or something like that. I guess the list will be good. So all FAQs there, and so in the list there will be the question 1. So let's add a question mark there. Yes, there is no need of underline. So question 1, and then so here like this, and then we will have to make like the numbers as they are. So let's number them to finally the 2 and then 3. So you see this is cut down, so let's make this to auto size to fit to complete, and then number 4, number 5, and finally number 6. Then select this R to holding shift and control and like this. So finally this is like this. Maybe there will be more questions, so let's make a see all. That will be good. Going to next page. So here is the see all page with the underlined, and that's the frequently asked questions page. So our next page will be the contact page. In the contact page we have to name, email, phone number and address. So let's duplicate this to this and rename this to contact page and change its title to contact us. And then finally we have to make the name, email, phone number and address of the user. So it will be like this. Unlock the rectangle and we have to take the name of the user from this. Here will be the name. So let's copy this and make it email of the user, then phone number and address. So here is the phone number and finally we have address. So let's make this address a little bit more big, and there is the two section of the male and female. So as we have in the search box, I will choose from here and put there to choose that he or she is the male or female, and then there will be a submit button. So here is the submit button. So let's center these all to look the form good, and lock the rectangle tool, select this, and here we have our contact page. And we can just use that's okay. So I will ask about the more home page and we'll make it later. That's all for all pages and the mentioned in the requirements. Hope you like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.